Procedure for processing All India Leave Travel Concession, that is, AILTC, claims submitted by railway servants as per RBE number 130/2018. 1. A railway servant willing to avail the optional ILTC in terms of RBE number 130/2018 for a particular calendar year in a block period of 4 years, that is from 2018 to 2021 onwards, is required to give at first the prior declaration intimation in advance to his/her controlling officer regarding the proposed place of visit before the journeys on LTC is to be undertaken. The declared place of visit may be changed before the commencement of the journey with the approval of his/her controlling officer. 2. The meaning of the controlling officer for this purpose would be as declared under Supplementary Rule-191, which corresponds to Rule 1697 of IREC, Volume 2 on Travelling Allowance Rules, as amended vide RBE number 194/2018, circulated under this office serial number 239/2018. 3. In cases where the railway servant himself/herself is the controlling officer as per Rule 1697 IBID, intimation declaration in advance regarding the proposed place of visit before the journeys to be undertaken on LTC is to be given to his/her Leave Sanctioning Authority, LSA, as per Part F MSOP 18. 4. After such declaration intimation, the railway servant will have to surrender all his/her entitled privilege passes in that calendar year and is required to obtain privilege pass surrender certificate by the concerned pass issuing authority in the prescribed format. 5. In case of both husband and wife are railway servants and are entitled to privilege pass, it is mandatory to surrender their respective entitled PPs for PPSC. 6. After obtaining PPSC from the concerned peer, the railway servant shall apply for leave along with a self-certification as per Annexure-A to the concerned Leave Sanctioning Authority as specified in Part F MSOP 18 regarding the proposed LTC journey. 7. Thereafter, he/she shall apply for encashment of LAP up to 10 days, if any, in terms of RBE number 157/2018 circulated under this office serial number 192/2018. 8. The willing railway servant is also entitled to advance limited to 4/5 of the estimated amount, which government would have to reimburse in respect of the cost of the journey both ways. In that case, he/she may draw the advance in respect of the proposed LTC journey. The railway servants who are their own controlling officers for travelling allowance purposes may sanction the advance to themselves. In the case of others, the sanction of the controlling officer concerned would be required. 9. In all the cases where an advance is drawn for the purpose of availing LTC, it will be mandatory for the concerned railway servant to produce the outward journey tickets to the competent authority within 10 days of drawl of advance in order to verify that he/she has actually utilized the amount to purchase the tickets. 10. On completion of the journey, the concerned railway servant is required to submit his/her LTC bills for settlement to the respective Cadre Dealing Officer. A. Within 3 months of completion of return journey, if no advance is drawn, and B. within 1 month of completion of return journey, if advance is drawn. 11. On receipt of LTC bills, CDO will verify the LTC claim submitted by the railway servant in terms of extant guidelines, and after such verification, CDO shall remit the LTC bills to respective bill preparing officer bill section indicating bill unit number. 12. The entire process of verification by CDO on the claim submitted by the railway servant shall be completed with 10 working days from the date of receipt of LTC bills. 13. Respective bill preparing officials on receipt of the LTC bills from CDO shall feed ILTC related data in the relevant submodule available in the payroll module in IPAS and forward the same to Accounts Department for vetting along with physical copies of LTC bills as well as the abstract summary sheet against each bill unit of LTC bills. 14. Vetted amount will be charged in the salary bill of the following month or the same month, as the case may be, by the respective bill preparing officials in a consolidated manner. 15. All LTC bills preferred for settlement after the time limit specified in serial number 10, above, shall be treated as late submission of claim, and be processed for obtaining approval of the Railway Board as per extant guidelines laid down in DoP&T, OM dated 1st April 2015. 16. OM's notifications related to CCS, LTC, rules issued and uploaded from time to time by DoP&T in their official website subsequent to this JPO shall come into force with immediate effect for regulation of ILTC facility to railway servants extended wide RBE number 130/2018. 17. This procedure order shall come into force with immediate effect.